Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off RCS messaging on your iPhone. For example, if you have recently turned on the RCS messaging and you have tried RCS chats on your iPhone. Now if you want to turn it off on your iPhone, after that you have simply use it or you are having some kind of issues related to that. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of your iOS. And after that, the next thing you have to do, you have to again simply go to settings and you have to simply go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset. And after clicking on reset, you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now this time what you have to do, you have to simply again click on settings. And now what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of apps. So here you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of messages. So as you open messages section, you will find section related to RCS messaging. So if you find it, then it is very helpful. And if you do not find it, that means your RCS messaging isn't working. So you have to make sure that it works properly. So if any things related to RCS message is shown, so you have to simply click on that, and after that an option will be available. This kind of toggle will be available, so you have to simply turn off that toggle, and after that your RCS messaging will be turned off on your iPhone. So in this way you can simply turn off RCS messaging on any iPhone without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe.